welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Tamia Lachey. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna say it's like 5 to 10 minutes. It will not take you long, like at all, but it's really simple. They came out beautiful today. She's looking ravishing. Wow. But yeah, it won't take you long at all. I'm gonna say it's gonna take you like 5-10 minutes tops. 10 minutes tops, 5 minutes minimum. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I accomplished my slayed eyebrows, please continue to watch. But before you get into the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share to everyone you know, your mama, your daddy, your sister, everybody you know, and please continue watching. All right, so boom, we just getting straight into the tutorial. So right now I'm just filling out my, before I even start filling out my brows, I just brushed it. I brushed it upward, but right now I'm just using the NYX, I think this is the micro brow pencil in espresso. I'm using this to just fill in all the sparse hairs in my brows. I'm really taking it and I'm doing kind of short to long strokes for all the little empty spaces or the sparse spaces in my eyebrows. And then I'm just doing the same to the other eyebrow. And I'm just shaping it too. Like, I usually start drawing like a line beneath. I kind of create a stencil for my eyebrow so I know how I want my eyebrow shape to be, so that I can just fill in any sparse hairs and continue to keep the shape. So then after that, I'm taking my Anastasia brow pencil. Not brow pencil. I'm taking my brow brush. It has a spoolie on the back and then the brush on the other side. But I'm taking this brush and I just dipped it in some eyebrow powder. I think I used the Profusion eyebrow powder. I'm not really sure. But I used just an eyebrow powder. And I'm just using the eyebrow powder to give my eyebrows a more sharpen my eyebrows and fill them in more, have them a little more deeper and more perfect. Kind of sculpting them. Oh yeah, remember to subscribe. Boom. So then after that, I'm taking 2 concealers. I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Matte. Yeah, I Am Magic. That's what it's called. The Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealers. I think I'm using 618. Not 618. I'm using J18 and J13, and I'm just using those to sharpen my brows. And as you can see, I'm blending it down and outwards, and I also blend it onto my, you know, lids for a base for my eyelids. So yeah, I'm just taking that, sharpening the bottom part of the brow, blending it down and out, and then I like to connect the center part so I know that my eyebrows are kind of symmetrical. You know, if they not twins, they can at least be sisters. We don't really want to be cousins, but sometimes they turn out that way. And then on the top part, I'm taking the I Am Magic Velvety Matte foundation. I think I'm using the color Rio. I recently got a tan, so that's why she looks a little light, but it's all gonna look right in the end. But I'm using that and I'm sharpening the top part of my eyebrows as well, so that it can, and I'm using a foundation too so that it can blend a little easier closer to my skin tone, even though I got that tan. And then I'm just taking this Real Techniques brush. I got it out of a kit, but I'm gonna still put the brush that I use. You'll see it on the screen, all the brushes and products I use on the screen. But I'm taking that and I'm just blending out the concealers so that it won't look cakey and it just looks all blended and beautiful. And if y'all see me like talking in the video, I'm just singing. I was listening to some, you know, some good tunes. And now I'm just doing the same to the top. I'm just blending it out so it can be a little more smooth. And don't worry, it's gonna look right at the end, don't worry. And then the center part, so that it just don't look dark and weird, I just blend the concealers into my eyebrow a little bit. It helps the eyebrow blend in a little better too as well, so it all comes together. And then after that, I'm just taking my beauty blender to blend everything out so it's not too cakey, not too much product. The beauty blender will suck up a little bit of that product. So then after I do that, I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder, and this is just a Bare Minerals brush. I don't even remember what brush this is. That's how long it's been. But I'm just taking this setting powder, and I'm just setting my lids. I'm setting my under part of my eyebrow so that it won't move. In case I decide to put on any eyeshadows and stuff, it won't move. It's just going to stay there and look beautiful. Wow, what a brow. And then after that, I'm taking the CoverGirl Clear Mascara. I use it as eyebrow gel. Look here. Come on. But yeah, I'm using it as eyebrow gel, and I'm just laying down my brows. And after I lay down the brows, wow. Do you see that? Wow. 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 Remember to subscribe once again, but look at those brows. That's beautiful. That's what you call a brow. But I just want to thank y'all for watching, and come back for more.